Hello.
Hello friends, welcome to today's lesson. I trust you're having a nice time. Our topic for today is topic sentence. Topic sentence. Let's go right into the lesson. Topic sentence tells you what the paragraph is about. Topic sentence tells you what the paragraph is about. Let's see this example. What is the paragraph about? The playground is a fun place. At the playground, you can play any game you want. You can play with the slide, swing, sand, or even chase your friends around. So the question is, what is this paragraph about? What do you think? Of course, the paragraph is about the playground is a fun place. Now, in this paragraph, they told us you can play any game you want. That sounds like fun. We were also told you can play with the slide. That's fun. The swing, another fun. And sand. Wow. Playing with sand is so much fun. And we were told you can even chase your friends around. That sounds like fun. So the whole paragraph is about the playground being a fun place. This is what this paragraph is about, and this is the topic sentence for this paragraph. Let's see another example. What is this paragraph about? There are 6 people in my family. First, you have my dad, then my mom, my elder brother Akin, myself and my baby sister Amina. Oh, and my pet dog. I hope my dad will someday get us a cat. What is this paragraph about? Of course, it's about there are 6 people in my family. So if you notice the whole paragraph, they kept telling us the people in the family: dad, mom, elder brother, Amina, and herself, and the pet dog. Okay, and if you count, there are 6 in number. So the paragraph is about the 6 people in my family, right? So the first sentence, there are 6 people in my family, is the answer. That is your topic sentence. That is the sentence that is carrying the topic of the paragraph. Let's try out one more example. What is the topic sentence? So we are going to read this paragraph and we will find out what the topic sentence is. Delight lives in a beautiful house with her family. They have 7 bedrooms. They cook and eat in a very big kitchen. Most times, they are at the living room watching TV. Whenever I visit, I love to stay by the pool or at the playground. What is the topic sentence of this paragraph? What is this paragraph focused on? What is it actually talking about? What sentence is carrying the topic of this paragraph? Of course, Delight lives in a beautiful house with her family. That's the answer. Now, if you noticed, other sentences told us things about this beautiful house. We were told that the beautiful house has bedrooms. We were also told it has a big kitchen. We were told it has a living room. We were told it has a pool and a playground. So the sentences kept describing the beautiful house. So the sentence that is carrying the topic is Delight lives in the beautiful house with her family. So topic sentence is that sentence that is carrying the topic, okay, in a paragraph. The sentence that explains to us what the paragraph is about, that is your topic sentence. Activity time. I will want you to read this paragraph and identify the topic sentence. I trust you had a nice time. See you in my next video class. Bye-bye.